In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Wayfair order with ease in 2025. Whether you've changed your mind or found a better option somewhere else, sometimes canceling an order is necessary. So let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you can do it confidently without any hassle. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Wayfair's website. This is your online destination where you can access your account and manage your orders. Once you're there, take a moment to make sure you're logged in. If you're not logged in yet, enter your credentials to access your account. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. This is where you'll find the option labeled My Account. Clicking on this will take you to your personalized account dashboard where you handle everything from order management to preferences. From your account dashboard, you should see an option labeled My Orders. This is where all of your current and past orders are listed. Click on this option to view every order you've placed. Your orders will be neatly arranged, usually starting with the most recent. Now it's time to locate the specific order you want to cancel. Go through your orders and decide which one is in question. Be sure you're looking at the correct order details to avoid any mistaken cancellations. Found the order you're looking to cancel? Great! The next step is to click on the Cancel option that's typically present next to the order details. Before you proceed, just a little reminder. Orders that have already been shipped may not be eligible for cancellation, so make sure this order is still in the processing phase. After you've clicked on Cancel, a confirmation prompt will appear. This step is crucial as it helps prevent accidental cancellations. Read the information provided carefully, and when you're sure that you want to proceed with the cancellation, go ahead and confirm your choice. With that final confirmation, your order cancellation is successfully submitted. Wayfair typically sends an email confirmation that your order has indeed been canceled, so keep an eye on your inbox for that update. And there you have it. You've now successfully navigated the process of canceling an order on Wayfair. By following these steps, you can manage your purchases with confidence and ease. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe or check out more of our guides for helpful tips and tricks.